How to order a pizza on phone.
In today's video we will learn how to order pizza in English in two different situations.
Situation 1, Home Delivery. Hello. Good evening, this is Tony from Yummy Pizza Palace. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to place an order for delivery, please.
Sure. What would you like to order today?
I'll have a large pepperoni pizza with extra cheese, please.
Great choice. Anything else?
Yes, I'd also like an order of garlic knots and a 2-liter bottle of Coke.
Got it. Will that be all for you today?
That's it, thanks.
Alright, your total comes to 2,100 rupees. Can I have your delivery address, please?
Sure, it's 123 Main Street, apartment 5A.
Perfect. Your order will be delivered to 123 Main Street, apartment 5A in about 30 minutes. Thank you for choosing Yummy Pizza Center.
Thank you, looking forward to it.
Situation 2, Pick up. Hi there, you've reached Yummy Pizza Palace. Sarah here, ready to take your order. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to order a pizza for pickup, please.
Of course. What type of pizza would you like?
I'll have a large veggie supreme pizza with extra mushrooms and olives.
Sounds delicious. Anything else?
Yes, I'd also like an order of mozzarella sticks and a side of marinara sauce.
Got it. Will that complete your order?
Actually, can I add a Caesar salad to that as well?
Absolutely, 1 Caesar salad. Anything else?
That's all, thank you.
Your total comes to 2,600 rupees. When would you like to pick up your order?
Can I pick it up in about 30 minutes?
Sure thing. We'll have your order ready for pickup in 30 minutes. Thank you for choosing Yummy Pizza Center.
Thank you, see you soon. Hopefully you all will like this English conversation video. To enjoy such interesting and useful content, please subscribe to your channel.
As well as like, share, comment the video, hit on the notification bell for future updates. Thank you.